Hey guys, welcome to the second part of our video. If you remember, in the last video, we went through the steps of how we renovated this house to make a huge transformation. And now we're going to go through the steps of how we furnished it. This was one of those homes that had so much potential, but yet was looking very tired. As my team got in there and emptied the house in preparation of what was to come, one of the things that excited me about this house were the light fixtures that were already there. Okay, so the living room is one of those spaces that we get a lot of mixed reviews on. Some people think it's a useless space, and others find use for the space. We think it's a crucial space because it's a space for the homeowners to entertain friends and family. It's called a formal living room, and that's why I like to style it a little more dressed up than the rest of the house. When you're choosing furniture for your living room, it's important to first think about how much seating you need. Our room was 11 by 16 feet with a beautiful bay window. We didn't want to block the window or the natural light, so we opted to use a 3-seater sofa with an oversized chair in the window. We still had plenty of space, so we added even more seating with our 2 accent chairs. To keep the continuity of the neutral tones, we thought it would be great to include white and brass in our palette. So we mixed up all the finishes and came up with a modern chic room that has enough seating, yet is still airy and open. If you need information on mixing metals, click to view our video on that subject. The tables we used were a mixture of marble and wood with brass details. Carpets and rugs add so much excitement to a room. They have a unique way of binding together all of the elements. Refrain from using small rugs in a space that's larger than an 8 by 10. Visually, it cuts the room and does not allow the eye to flow throughout the space. So remember, if it's not sticking outside of your sofa by a few inches, it's the wrong size rug for your room. It's always a fun process adding the final touches to a room, like selecting the artwork, decorative pillows, and small knickknacks for the tables. We accented our tables with lamps. I've mentioned in my videos before that lighting is an essential part of the decorating process, and it doesn't always have to go in your ceiling. Table lamps are also a great way to add ambiance to any space. Guys, this house sold in 2 days for over asking price. If you're thinking of listing your home and want to make some changes prior to selling, make sure you watch our previous video on how this transformation started. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us to create more content for you, which we love doing. So like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, check us out on Instagram @sanasdesign_interiors. See you next time.